गजाननं भूतगणातिसेवितं कपित्थजम्बूफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वरपादपङ्कजम् आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम् आर्तानामार्तिहन्तारं भीतानां भयनाशनं विशतां कालदण्डं तं रामचन्द्रं नमाम्यहम् रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पते नमः। कुजण्डं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं वाल्मीके मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को न याति परां गतिं गोष्पदीकृतवारीशं वशकीकृतराक्षसं रामायणमहामाला रत्नं वन्देरिलात्मजम् अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकीशोकनाशनं कपीशमक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम्. So now, Sita, having got the ring in her hand, she was like the moon which has been released from the grips of Rahu. Fully shining now. With the ring in her hand, and she's transported with joy. And she affectionately now looks at the ape, the great ape, who has brought her such happiness, with whom she was extremely pleased, and she tells him, Vikrantastvam samarthastvam pranyastvam vanarottama yenedam rakshasapadam tvayekena pradarshitam. Vikrantastvam. You are valiant. Samarthastvam. You are capable. Prangyastvam. You are a wise man. You are wise. Oh, best of apes. If there is capability, if there is valor, if there is wisdom, it is in you. Because all by yourself, you have penetrated into the stronghold of Rakshasas. Shatayodana Vistinam Sagaro Makaralaya Vikramashlaganiyena Kramata Koshpadikata. The 100 Yojana wide ocean, which is the Makaralayam, which is the home of monsters, sea monsters, sharks and others, has been treated by you like as if it's as big as the puddle created by a cow's hoof. A cow's hoof puddle. She has stepped across. Naitvam prakritam manye vanaram varshaba yasyate nasti samtraso ravanannapi sambrama. Naitvam prakritam manye. I don't consider you to be an ordinary prakrita monkey. You cannot be one. Because you have shown absolutely no fear of Ravana. Nor has your mind even been slightly been disturbed by Ravana. Nothing. You are no ordinary monkey. Arhase chakapisheshta maya sambhar samabhibhashitam yadyasi preshitastena ramena vididatmana. A beautiful sloka. It says, Arhase chakapisheshta maya samabhibhashitam. O best of apes, you are qualified to speak to me. You are arhase. You have every right to speak to me. O best of apes. Why? She gives the reason. Yajyasi preshitastena ramena viditatmana. Since Rama, the self-realized one, has sent you. The redoubtable Rama would not send anybody whom he has not tested, and with whose prowess he is not satisfied. He will not send somebody who is not tested, with whom he is not satisfied. Such a person he will not send, especially to me. Fully, when he is satisfied, right, then he would have sent you. And therefore, you have every right to speak to me. Very powerful slokam from Sita. And we saw the story of the birds. So one of the things the birds had mentioned, but it had escaped my mind at that point in time. One was that the ring itself was apparently it was charged with mantram, it was charged the ring Abhimantrita by Yagyavalkya, Rishi, given to Janaka. In which when Rama Sita's marriage was held, Janaka had embossed Rama's name in that and then given it to him as a protection for him. That was one. The other was that during the course of that quarrel that they were having, when Rama was saying that your family is like that, we are from Surya Vamsham. So one of the things apparently she said was, "No, look who's talking," as if my father went looking to your house, to your father with my horoscope, and then your father had said, "Okay, we will batch it and come back to you," or something like that. You're talking as if we were hanging on your word. You came with all on your own, walking brahmachari into my town, and then you broke the bow, you did everything that you could, and then you married me. What are you talking? So that was one small thing I forgot to mention that she had also said to him. But coming back here to where we were after that, she was extremely relieved after this entire thing, after having got the ring in her hand. It was as if Rama is in front of her, as what Valmiki says. And she had blessed and praised Hanuman, saying Vikrantastum, Vikrantatvam Samarthatvam Pranyastvam Vanarottama Yenedam Rakshasa Tvayaikena Pradarshitam. You are valorous, you are capable, you are Pranyastvam, you are wise. O best of apes, etc. She had blessed him profusely and had said that I don't think you are a common monkey. I cannot agree that you are just another Prakrita Vanara. You are not the least bit afraid of Ravana and you're not even bothered in your mind about him. So you can be no ordinary monkey. And she had said, Arhase Chakapisheshta Maya Samabhibhashitum. You have the right to speak to me. You have the right to speak to me because the self-realized Rama has sent you. And Rama would not send somebody, especially to speak to me, whom he has not thoroughly tested. And she had said, God be thanked that Rama is well and Lakshmana is well, etc. We stopped there last time, we move on from there now. But if Rama is well, she says, why does he not in his anger burn up the earth? Like the Pralayakala Agni, I would have expected him to burn up the earth. If he is well, then why hasn't he done that? Then she asks a series of questions to Hanuman, which is, in some sense, the meter and the methodology is the same as the Kachit Sargam which came earlier. In Kachit Sargam, when Bharata arrives to Chitrakuta to try to convince Rama that firstly to tell him that Dasharatha is no more, and then to convince him to come back and take over the kingdom. Before he can start anything, Rama firstly questions him. I saw that Kachit Sargam. He asks a series of questions to Bharata to check whether he is doing his job as the Yuvaraja properly or not. He takes a review. It is a beautiful Sargam of Ramayanam. Likewise, now Sita is asking questions about Rama to Hanuman. Kachinna vyatito Rama Kachinna paridapyate uttarani cha karyani kurute purushottama Kachinna dina sambranta karyeshu namuhyati Kachit purusha karyani kurute nipate sutta Kachin mitrani labate mitraishchapya vigamyate Kachit kalyana mitrascha mitraishchapi puraskrita. Like that. So what is he asking? Kachinna vadito Rama Kachinna paridapyate. I hope that Rama has not abandoned himself so much to grief that he is not busying himself with what needs to be done. Uttarani cha karyani, mela, next, whatever is to be done, is he doing or not? Or simply brooding? The queen is asking. Kacchinnadina sambhranta karyeshu janamuhyati Kachit purusha karyani kurute nipate sutta. I trust the prince is not so depressed and dazed as to lose initiative and will, as to not be remiss in action. Kachit purusha karyani kurute nipate sutta. I trust that he is doing what is expected of a man. Kachin mitrani labate mitraichapa vigamyate Kachit kalyana mitraichapi puraskrita. Kachin mitrani labate. I trust that he is securing allies. He knows that to take on Ravana's, the two princes can't walk in. They need allies. I trust that he is securing allies. I trust that allies are seeking his friendship. I trust that the allies that he is getting or he is seeking are those that would do him credit. And I trust that he commands the respect of those allies. Does he? Allies is not a coalition government. You have to command the respect. Kachidashasti devanam prasadam parthivatmaja Kachit purushakaram cha daivam cha pratipadyate. Is he seeking the blessing of gods? I trust that he is. He seeks the blessing of gods. Does he put his trust in God and at the same time does he exert himself? At the same time, does he exert himself to the utmost to gain his objectives? Purushakaram cha daivam cha. Kachinna vigata sneha pravasan vairagava Kachin mam yasanadasman mokshishyati vanara. Is it that he has lost love for me because I am far away? I trust he has not lost his love for me because I am far away. O Vanara, I hope he will liberate me from this misery. सुखानामुचितो नित्यम असुखानामनौचितः दुःखमुत्तरमासाद्य कच्चिद्रामो न सीदति. Sukhanam Uchito, Rama, who deserves all happiness and who does not deserve any unhappiness. I hope that Rama hasn't lost himself in utter depression because of the spate of sorrows that he has found himself in. Kausalyaya sada kachit sumistraya sadaiva ja abhikshnam shruyate kachit kushalam bharatasya ja. I hope that he frequently hears from home about the welfare of Kausalya, about the welfare of Sumitra, and about the welfare of Bharata. See, the deal was not that the message should not go that how are you and we are fine. Through monkey mail, I mean, you tell somebody, that person will take it forward. It's not that somebody will come directly from Ayodhya. They may pass to Gohan, Gohan may pass to somebody, and then finally some person may come to say that Ramanavami was held well in Ayodhya. He has to be in exile for 14 years. And Ayodhya doesn't have to know where exactly he is either. Message can go on. Perhaps was going because that's what Sita asks. I hope that he is continuing to hear about, because she knows that if he's, that's important to keep him going. Man nimittani manarah kachit choken raghava kachin nanya manarama kachin mam tareshyati. I hope the worthy, the respectable, the most venerable Rama is not so absent-minded, immersed in sorrow. I hope he will save me. Kachinaukshauhinim bhimam bharato bhratravatsala dhvajinim mantribir guptam preshishyati matkrite. I hope Bharata, the beloved of his brother, will send one Akshauhini of army. A formidable army of one Akshauhini protected by his ministers for my cause. I hope Bharata will send to Rama. One Akshauhini will have approximately about, including horsemen, elephant men, chariot men and foot soldiers, close to about 2 lakh soldiers. So never mind the strategy, already she has got some strategy that Bharata will send some 2 lakh soldiers with ministers, Rama will have other allies, etc. Then it's on. The game is on. Vanradipati Sriman Sugriva Kachideshade Matkade Haribir Virai Ruto Vadantana Khayude. I trust that the illustrious Sugriva, Vanradipati Sugriva, Sriman Sugriva, surrounded by valiant monkeys and bears fighting with teeth and nails, will reach this place. Kachitcha Lakshmana Shura Sumitrananda Vardhanastra Vicharadalena Rakshasan Vidamishyati. I trust that Lakshmana, who is an adept in the use of celestial weapons, will, with a net, a jalam, a shastra jalam, with a net of arrows, he will destroy Lanka.